What if I told you the most powerful day trading tool isn't flashy, complicated, or hidden behind a paywall? Hey traders, I'm Alfred Mugo, and today we're cutting through the noise to reveal the number one indicator pros don't want you to master because it's free, timeless, and staring you in the face. By the end of this video, you'll know why 95% of failed traders overlook this, how to decode its secrets, and why 2025's markets will make it more critical than ever. Spoiler, it's not an algorithm, AI, or a 10-color chart overlay. Let's dive in. Why price is the ultimate indicator. Price is the market's heartbeat. Every tick, every surge, and every collapse tells a story. In 2025, markets will move faster than ever, with AI-driven bots and news algorithms trying to fake you out. But price? It doesn't lie. It's the only truth teller. Think of it like this. While everyone else is drowning in lagging indicators and noise, you'll be reading the source code of the markets. Price action cuts through the clutter. It's real-time, universal, and leaves no room for guesswork. When you learn to read it, you're not just following trends, you're decoding the footprint of institutional money. Those sudden spikes, stubborn rejections at key levels, and silent consolidations, that's big money talking. And in 2025, with volatility at all-time highs, price will separate the pros from the amateurs. Decoding price in 2025's markets. Let's break down how to use price action to dominate the game. Impulsive moves. When price rockets and holds, that's institutional fuel. These aren't random pumps. They're deliberate moves by smart money. Your job? Ride the wave, not the noise. Spot the momentum. Enter with confidence, and let the market do the wake. Rejection zones. Notice a price level that repeatedly slams the door on rallies or dips. That's not coincidence. It's the market's way of screaming free money here. These zones act as traps for the unprepared and gold mines for the observant. Compression patterns. Tight, sideways price action isn't boredom. It's a coiled spring. In 2025, these zones will explode faster than ever. The tighter the range, the bigger the breakout. Most traders hesitate in these moments, but if you're ahead of the curve, you'll strike at the perfect time. Here's the twist. 2025's markets will be flooded with fake-outs. Breakouts will crumble and support levels will vanish, unless you're reading price context. For example, if price struggles to push past a level it breezed through last week, that's not a breakout, it's a warning. Learn to differentiate real moves from traps, and you'll avoid 90% of retail traders' mistakes. How to train your eyes for price action. The best part? You don't need fancy tools. Here's your crash course. Strip your charts. Remove every indicator, line, and widget. For the next 30 days, trade with nothing but raw price and volume. This forces your mind to recognize patterns without distractions. Mark key levels. Draw horizontal lines at recent swing highs and lows. These are your battle zones, where price fights for control. The more reactions at a level, the more powerful it becomes. Journal the story after every trade. Ask, why did price reverse here? Who got trapped there? Was it a liquidity grab or a genuine breakout? Treat it like a detective game, and soon you'll spot patterns effortlessly. The goal? To see what 95% of traders miss, the rhythm of the markets. In 2025, speed will kill lazy traders. But if you've trained your eyes to spot institutional footprints, you'll thrive in any condition. The 2025 edge, price plus patience. Price action isn't a shortcut, it's a discipline. In 2025, the noise will be deafening AI hype, quantum trading, and viral market gurus. But the rules won't change. Price will still reward those who respect its patterns and punish those who chase illusions. Your edge? Pattern recognition. The same price reactions that played out in 2008, 2020, and 2023 will repeat. Because human psychology doesn't evolve as fast as technology. When price stalls at a level that crushed buyers last month, that's not a coincidence. It's a cycle. The traders who understand this will always stay ahead. My journey, from indicator overload to price clarity. Let me get real with you. Years ago, I was drowning in indicators. 1,137 of them, to be exact. RSI, MACD, Ichimoku clouds. You name it, I stacked it on my charts. My screens looked like a rainbow explosion. I thought more indicators meant more edge. Instead, I got analysis paralysis, blown accounts, and sleepless nights. There was one week I'll never forget. I'd loaded 20 indicators onto my pound sterling to US dollar chart. They all screamed buy. So I did. Then, the Fed dropped unexpected news. Price tanked. My perfect indicators lagged, and I lost $15,000 in minutes. I sat there, staring at the wreckage, realizing I'd traded everything except the market itself. That's when I stripped it all away. No lines, no oscillators, just raw price and volume. At first, it felt like trading blindfolded, but slowly, patterns emerged. Those rejection wicks, institutional stop hunts, those tight consolidations, explosions waiting to happen. Since mastering price action, my trading transformed. My win rate doubled. My stress halved. Last month, I caught a 300 pip move on XAU USD purely by reading a single rejection candle at a key level. No indicators, no noise, just price. If you're ready to ditch the distractions and trade like a pro, hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment with Price is King. I'll reply with a free guide to spotting institutional traps using price alone. But let me leave you with something crucial. Mastering price isn't just about reading charts. It's about developing a trader's mindset. In 2025, you'll see traders obsess over AI bots, algorithmic signals, and so-called secret indicators. They'll jump from one strategy to the next, searching for an easy way to beat the market. But the truth? The best traders don't chase. They observe. They adapt. They understand that price itself is the ultimate roadmap. The reason price action works, year after year, market cycle after market cycle, is because human psychology hasn't changed. Fear and greed will always leave footprints. Institutions will always hunt liquidity. And if you can train your eyes to see these patterns before they unfold, you won't just survive in 2025's markets, you'll dominate. So, here's your challenge. Strip your charts, start watching price in its raw form, and commit to learning its language. The markets will test your patience. They'll try to shake you out. But remember, the traders who win aren't the ones who trade the most. They're the ones who wait for the right moment. And that's what separates amateurs from professionals. You're not here for shortcuts. You're here to build a skill that will serve you for life. So, if that's you, if you're serious about leveling up your trading game, then stick around. This is just the beginning. More deep dives, more strategies, and more real talk trading wisdom are coming. Until then, keep your charts clean, your mind sharper, and let the market speak for themselves. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment Price is King for your free guide. See you in the next one.